So for your physics exam, you might be thinking, sir, should I follow and complete all 3 model papers? Are they important? Do I have the time to complete all the three model papers? And if I complete this, how many marks I can get from these 3 model papers? First of all, model papers are there for a reason. It will give you an idea that what type of questions are going to come and what will be the level of difficulty in each section. So that is one thing. Secondly, are they important or should I answer them? Should I practice all the 3 model papers? So the small answer, let me show you the small answer. Yes. So model papers are important, and if you solve all the model papers, you can score easily 35 to 40 marks for physics. Okay, 30 marks to 40 marks. Okay, 30 to 40 marks you can score in between. Now exact questions, do we get exact question in exactly from the model paper? Let's see with examples. I believe in examples. I am a physics teacher, right? So I believe in examples. So I will show you one example, 2 examples actually, and both from last year's model paper and last year's paper number 1. So we have taken model paper number 1 and model paper exam number 1, because obviously you are going to give your exam 1. So if you see the question number 29 in last year's model paper and first paper of last year, you will see that question number 29 in both cases are exactly same. Not just same, exactly same. Mention 3 properties of electric field lines, mention 3 properties of electric field lines. Now obviously it is a very common question, but anyway, if you follow the model paper, there are instances that many cases you will get not the exact question, but some questions which is language differently or based on the same concept, especially goes for MCQs, and it is only paper number 1. If you study entire all 3 model paper, it will take almost a day. I don't want to spend too much time on last year's paper, last year's model paper and last year's question paper number 1, because it will take a long time. So I will show you one more example. Question number 27, write 2 conditions for total internal reflection to occur. That is the exam question. In the model paper it is mentioned that mention the conditions of total internal reflection. So exactly you can see that these questions are also exactly same. The answer is exactly same, even though the language of the question is slightly different, but questions are exactly same. Now if you go through all the model papers, you will see that 30 to 35 marks was there in maybe not directly but indirectly, and big concept based questions are there. 30 to 35 marks questions actually came from 3 model papers. So if you are someone who don't have any time, you just want to pass in the exam, definitely 3 model papers are sufficient. Now from where I should study the model papers, sir? It will be very difficult for me to solve all 3 model papers. So don't worry, here I have already solved all 3 model paper in the live session, and the lecture duration is 6 hours 46 minutes within some breaks, including some breaks. So you can check this live where all the 3 model papers are done in a live session, in an interactive session with all the students. So you can check this out. Or if you are interested, so I don't have that much time, I want to complete it faster, so me and Aditi ma'am both combined have completed all 3 model papers in the past. So you can go and check that out. So this is model paper number 1 done by me, model paper number 2 and model paper number 3 done by Aditi ma'am. You can go and check that out. It is there in the playlist section of our channel. There you will find the all model papers, and the first page looks like this, complete analysis. Don't worry, this is not complete analysis, it's complete analysis of your model paper. So model paper solution with all the insights are there. Okay, I made a small mistake in model paper number 1 numerical question. You can check the correct answer in the comment section of this video. Otherwise this is a perfectly correct, and everything is shown here proper way. Okay, and obviously I took some help from the students while solving. So you can check this live, or you can check the 3 different videos. The duration of this is around 5 hours. Okay, so you can check this for your reference if you are really interested. Aditi ma'am also did an excellent job solving the model paper, so you can go check that out as well. Anyway, So this is the way to solve the model papers. If you want to download the PDF of this, is available in our WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. You will get the link of the WhatsApp channel in the description section of this video. Do go there and check all the drive link that is shared. Every day we are sharing the drive link with all updated files, PDF links and lectures. So you can find the model paper, all 3 model paper solution that we done in the live session, available in the drive link that is shared in our WhatsApp channel. You can download it and you can check all the answers there if you do not have the time to go through the lecture. And whatever doubts you have, you can check the respective duration and you can understand the problem, right? So this is the correct way to get the answers of all model papers. Okay, so all one place. No, you don't have to go multiple channels, multiple people. You don't have to go multiple areas. Only one area is sufficient. Okay, now obviously, as you know, during our Holi offer, we are currently giving you our most sought after KC 30 crash course for 2499 only. The price is back again. It was increased, now it is come back to original price of 2499. This is a limited period offer and you will not get this offer later on. So don't forget, if you are really interested for your KCET exam, then definitely you should consider KC 30. Also, if you are someone who is more interested in learning from offline centers, then our Lakshya KCET offline batch is also available for purchase, and you can contact in the number given you can click on the link given in the description and you can call on the numbers to get your book your seat. The price for this is only 3000. Sorry, not 3000, my mistake. You will get a flat 3000 rupees off if you book your seat today for Lakshya crash course. Okay, and most important announcement is that ABHYAS KCET test series is now cheaper. You will get this ABHYAS KCET test series for 999 only. It is not 1499 anymore. It is 999 only. But this is a limited time offer, so you have to enroll yourself today. Okay, so I hope you have completed your model paper. If you have not completed, do go to our videos and complete the model paper as soon as possible. Also download the PDF. All the best for your physics exam. I'll be back with live lectures very soon. Till then, bye.